Hello InvTraXes. Are you struggling to identify momentum changes or overbought, oversold markets? Do you want to determine your risk parameters and order placements more accurately? Well, today we're going to talk about some of the most popular and helpful technical indicators that can help you with just that. One of these technical indicators is Bollinger Bands. These bands indicate market volatility by surrounding a 20-day simple moving average with two lines, or bands, that are one standard deviation away from the moving average price. They tend to capture most currency price moves within them and clearly show when prices are overbought, sold, when prices touch, or extend through either line. Essentially, they contract when the market is quiet and expand when the market is volatile. The whole concept behind Bollinger Bounce is that prices tend to move back to the middle between the bands, regression to the mean. When the bands act like mini resistance and support levels, it creates a bounce effect, which can help you identify entry and exit points for trades. Another situation that you might encounter is the Bollinger Squeeze, which happens during times of low volatility when the bands squeeze together. This often suggests that a breach is going to happen soon. If the prices breach the upper band, normally the prices will continue to move upwards. Conversely, if prices begin to breach the lower band, they are likely to continue downwards. Another great technical indicator is the Moving Average Convergence, Divergence, MACD, which shows the momentum of an asset. It's generally made up of different time-scaled moving averages and a signal line. When the MACD line starts below the signal line and intersects it to be above the signal line, this denotes price momentum continuing on the upside. On the other hand, if the MACD line is above the signal line and intersects below it, the opposite signal is given. Keep in mind that while these indicators are popular and helpful, there are many ways to interpret them, so it's always good to do your own research and see how other traders use them to their advantage. Now that you know about these indicators, you can start using them to improve your trades and investments. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who might benefit from this information. Want free trading signals? Then join our Telegram channel from the link in the description. See you in the next video.